everyone, it's Hannah and welcome back to my channel, or hi, hello if you're new here. Today I have a really dramatic makeup tutorial for you all, and I am super excited to be showing you all how to do this really dramatic eye look. This is super crazy, this is super different, this is something that I have absolutely never done before here on my channel, and I am so excited to show you guys this eye look. So let's just go ahead and get right on into this tutorial. Alrighty, first I'm going to take the shade Canary, and I'm just going to apply that to the inner half of my eye. Alright, next I'm going to apply the shade Cashmere to the middle half of my eye. Alright, last but certainly not least, we're going to take the shade Extravaganza and we're just going to put that onto the outer half of my eye. Alrighty, now all that's left to do is just blend these shades together. Alright, next I'm going to curl my eyelashes and put on some mascara, and then we'll be done with the eyes. Now I'm going to be using the Hoola bronzer from Benefit just to warm up my face with. This has just been my go-to bronzer recently. I just did a first impressions on this bronzer that I'll have linked down below where you guys can go and check it out if you want to. But to apply it, I'm just going to be using this angled blush brush. Now taking my Tarte blush palette, I'm going to take the shade Flamingo, and I'm just going to apply that to the apples of my cheeks using this Profusion blush brush. Last but certainly not least is highlighter, and then we'll be done with the face. So for highlighter, I'm just going to be using this e.l.f. Baked Highlighter in the shade of Moonlight Pearls. It's been a hot minute since I've used this in a tutorial. And then to apply it, I'm just going to be using this e.l.f. highlighting brush. Alright, last but certainly not least is lips, and then we are done. So for lips, I'm just going to be using this Huda Beauty liquid lipstick in the shade Crush, and I feel like this is just going to be a really pretty lip color to go with these dramatic eyes, and I'm really excited to be using this in a tutorial because I have never used any Huda Beauty products in any of my tutorials before, so I'm really happy and excited to use this lipstick. Alright everyone, so that is it for this really dramatic makeup tutorial. I really hope you all did enjoy this video. Thank you all so much for watching this, and I will see you all in my next one really soon.